Hey y'all, today I'm taking y'all with me to get my hair done. Thank you guys over at Wiggins for sending me this wig. I will leave all the details down in the description bar. This wig is a 24-inch 13x4 HD body wave wig, and this is how the wig looks fresh out of the box. This wig does come pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so this is how it looks straight out of the packaging. My stylist did not bleach or pluck the knots, so here we are, we're getting started. We're just fitting it to my head and then cutting off the excess lace. I did get a size small wig cap and it fit my head perfectly. My stylist said I could also do this as a glueless, but this is my Christmas and New Year style, so I just glued it down for extra security. This is how it looks before we added any glue, and then this is directly after it was glued down. So she's just putting on a band because she's going to put me under the dryer for a little bit. I always like to add fluffy baby hairs to my units and to my hairstyles. It's very rare that I don't get them. I just like the way that they look on me. So she's parting out the baby hairs right now. And then after she's all done sectioning them out, she's going to cut it, curl it, and then lay it down with some mousse and hairspray. Gonna get right into it with the curling. This hair did also come pre-curled, but we curled over it because we were going for a different type of curl pattern. I love that the wig is so full. It is a 250 density and it's really full. Like, it's not too thick, but it's just the perfect density to hold on to curls. So here's the finished look, y'all, and I will also insert some pictures at the end so you guys could see how the hair held the curl. She's just combing through and showing me how I need to comb once I get home also, because I never know how to maintain my curls, but I learned today. Pictures here were taken 2 days later. I just wanted you guys to see how my hair held up with the curls. They held them really well. I just wrapped them up at night by pinning each curl separately. Here is the information for the wig, y'all. I'll also leave the link down in the bio so you guys can have access to it.